Well, good morning, 8th grade. It's way too early in the morning here, and we're back in the garage for another short science demonstration. Today, we want to talk about fluids. And remember that fluids are materials that flow freely, they take the shape of their container. And so, when we think about fluids, I want you to think about gases, I want you to think about liquids. This morning, though, we are interested in liquids as fluids. And so maybe you've seen something like this in your refrigerator before where you've got some salad dressing and you can see that there are some very distinct layers that have formed in the salad dressing. If you just took this and poured it out onto your salad, it would probably not taste very good and the experience would be disappointing. But what's interesting about this container is that regardless of which way it's oriented, you can see there's a little bit of action there. For some reason, there is a darker colored fluid that sits on the bottom. There is a lighter color fluid that rises to the top. And then, since this is a flavored salad dressing, it's got some floaty bits, and they are somewhere in the middle. We can ignore those for the time being because right now we really want to focus on these liquids in our salad dressing. So in order to set this up for you, what I've done is I have prepared a number of salt solutions for you. I have blue, orange, red, and green. And if you would go ahead and find the document entitled Layering Liquids, we can go ahead and talk about what's going to go on for you as I demonstrate this experiment as we try to get something to go on here. So I've got a pipette, I've got my containers of salt solutions, and so you might want to use colored, somehow on your PDF document, use a colored stylus to keep track of how these materials layer. And then so you'll look down through here. And so for step number 2, use a colored pencil to keep track of the different combinations. So what we want to do, the goal is to successfully layer my different salt solutions in the straw. I've got a whole bunch of straw columns. I've got 10, but there are 9 spots for you on your document. And so we just want to keep track of what works and what doesn't work as we go through this and as we try to get these salt solutions to layer up. So here in a second, we'll get that going on and we'll try to layer these up.